You greedy bitches, you either just got here or you're back for more. I'm Tori Torres and this is the channel. You either come here for lash extensions or to roast me, so whenever you're here, just subscribe, comment, like this video, show it to your grandma. Let's get it going. Okay, today I'm gonna be doing like a review slash tutorial on these like liquid lash extensions from Thrive Cosmetics. Comes in this like turquoise silver shiny packaging, and there's like the name of it. This is the unicarton for it. It says Orchid Stem Cell Complex, which I guess is like what makes this work. And it just says like Thrive Cosmetics, like it shows like a picture of it like working, you know, like typical packaging. They mailed it to me in this like envelope that says home is where your makeup stash is, which is like so true. And like, okay, my nails don't match, but I was like, oh my god, my nails like kind of match it. And they also gave this like a see-through makeup bag. And it has a tag on it, but it doesn't say how much money it costs. I don't know if you can buy it. I don't know if it like came free with the purchase. There's nothing in it, but it's just like a plasticky, like filmy, like thin bag. Basically what everybody wants to know is, does this work? And I'm gonna go down on the record saying a hard yes, because I've used this multiple times. And it not only like retains insane curl, but it makes your eyelashes super long, and like exactly how it looks when you're done applying it is how it will stay all day. So I'm definitely happy with this. I definitely use it a lot. If you see pictures where it looks like they're my natural lashes, they're totally not. It's this. So I'm gonna get into the tutorial. Basically, I start off by curling my lashes with like a Sephora lash curler or whatever lash curler you own. This mascara is also really good for conditioning. I don't know if you can see, these are my natural lashes still right now, and they're super long. They've never been this long, and they're never usually this long. This mascara is just super good for conditioning, and I would definitely recommend it to other people. Yeah, for any returning subscribers, I like totally moved. Like my other bedroom was like totally white and this one is like totally gray. So this is gonna be an adjustment. I'm sorry. Basically, I apply this by like wiggling it up the lashes like this. Either by literally moving my face or moving the wand, like whatever just naturally happens. Wow. Wow. Do you see that? This is what I'm talking about. Basically, yeah, I mean, like, look at that. Like, what the hell? That's my real eyelashes. Like, this is not even, like, sort of fake. Like, I just did it in front of you. Like, what? Sorry, I'm, like, looking in, like, the viewfinder. Yeah, this works super duper good. And my lashes will look like this all day. Like, it will continue to look exactly like this for the rest of the day. I've slept with this mascara on. It works even in your sleep, through your sleep. You wake up, it's still on. It still looks exactly the same as it was when you put it on. And, oh wait, yeah. I also wash this off in the shower. It's super easy to clean. You literally pluck the extensions off of your eyelash and like just they're off already. So it's not super complicated. It's not hard to remove. It's just literally like liquid eyelash extensions in a bottle. And I'm a contact lens user, so if you use contacts, you know how annoying it is, like when your mascara just starts to crumble like all the time, or like your favorite mascara is like a crumbly mascara, so like you wouldn't want to look any other way, but like there's no way to just not get shit in your contacts. Like this mascara does not do that at all. It totally like doesn't really move. It doesn't even really budge with water. Like you have to like physically like pick the fibers off of your eye. So that's my tutorial slash review of liquid eyelash extensions. If you like this video, subscribe, like, comment, tell your friends. Bye!